Krishna Prema Pradayate. So this, I want to read that. So when he quoting this verse, and in the Chaitanya Charitamritas, this is recounted, that Sarup Damodar actually was speaking this in order to nourish. He was speaking these verses to nourish and enhance and deepen Mahaprabhu's mood of Madhurya Sringar Prema. So during the course of that discussion, which revolved around this principle of hide and seek, how Krishna appears and disappears before his devotees, in their heart and out of their heart. Like you may not be seeing Krishna directly, but you're seeing him in your heart, in the dhyan, in the meditation. Lila dhyan, you're meditating on Krishna's pastimes in your heart. This is in the high, there's different levels of this perception, different levels of this experience of seeing Krishna, his lilas and his pastimes in the heart, depending on the purity of consciousness and the degree of mercy received and the qualification of the meditating devotee. On the high end, when you come to the level of bhava and prema, such devotees have what they call spurti, vispurti, deep, long, prolonged visions of lilas in the heart, and very profound and tangible and seeming touchable. Hearing Krishna speak and speaking to Krishna and feeling Krishna touch you and Radharani, everything. So that's recounted in Vilap Kusumanjali by Raghunath Das Goswami, and also in the commentaries elaborating those verses by Sri Ananda Gopal Goswamiji and by Srila Anantadas Ji and Madhusudan Das Adhikari, who are commenting on that book, and we have in English, all of us. So these are profound. So even when Raghunath Das is meditating on serving Radharani, dressing her, and he's about to fix some ornament on Radharani's ear, and he's seeing her ear, and he's in his spurti, he's holding Radharani's ear, and it feels directly that I am there in my Tulsi Manjari form as a Gopi Manjari, and I'm about to fix this earring on Radharani's ear, and hide and seek, Radharani disappears from his heart. He's not seeing in a sakshat direct darshan, but it is called antardiyata. Antardiyata means within this, the deep inside the intelligence, deep inside the heart, Radha and Krishna are manifesting there in the elevated devotees. So we as beginners on the path of meditation and smaran, Radha and Krishna are manifesting on the mental level within our minds, but they have to go deep into the antardiyata, means to go beyond the mind to the intelligence, to the chitta. It's a deep, continuous diving and through the layers of our own consciousness to ultimately qualify to have direct darshan of Radha and Krishna.